Hello students, welcome back to your GK tutorial. So here we are back with a new lesson and the name of the lesson is banking today. Okay, bank. What is bank? Bank is basically a place where we keep our money. राइट सबको पता है कि बैंक क्या होता है, जहाँ पे हम अपनी मनी डिपॉजिट करवाते हैं, फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन गेट द लोन्स, फॉर वेयर वी कैन कीप आवर गोल्ड. सो बेसिकली बैंक इज आवर सेफ फ्रेंड, जहाँ पे हम अपने डिपॉजिट्स करवाते हैं, हम वहाँ से लोन्स ले सकते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेसन दैट इज बैंकिंग टुडे. और बच्चे हमने इस लेसन में करना क्या है? वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द एब्रीविएशंस. ओके, हमने एब्रीविएशंस पढ़नी है. नाउ मैम, व्हाट इज एब्रीविएशन? सो लेट्स कम टू दैट कंसेप्ट. व्हाट इज एब्रीविएशन?
Hi, welcome to iQuestion PH. Today's question is, what is an abbreviation? An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word. Abbreviation is usually done to take less space in a document or a selection. An abbreviated word is usually composed of the most recognizable letters of the word, so that it can be easily distinguished or remembered. Abbreviation is usually done on individual titles and professions. Days of the week, months of the year, specific places, and units of measure. Example.
Okay students, so after the video we are back to the abbreviations. First in your book is SBI. So the full form is State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Look, S for state, this S for state, B for bank and I for India. State Bank of India, SBI. Okay, so it is a government bank, very old bank. So State Bank of India, SBI. Second is UCN. Again, it's a terminology that is used in the banking. So its full form is Unique Code Number. Look, U for unique, C for code and N for number. Unique Code Number, UCN. Okay, Unique Code Number, UCN. So what will be the abbreviation of Unique Code Number? That is UCN. Now ICICI. It is Industrial Credit. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation. Investment Corporation of India. Okay, so look, here is I for industrial, C for credit, I for investment, C for corporation and I again for India. So it is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Okay, so let's talk about next, that is HDFC. It is Housing Development Finance Corporation. Housing Development and Finance Corporation. HDFC, Housing Development and Finance Corporation. H for housing, D for development, F for finance and C for corporation. Next is IFSC. This is Indian Financial System Code. Indian Financial System Code, IFSC. So all the banks are being registered with a particular IFSC code, like in the schools we have a particular affiliation number. So same, all the banks are being affiliated or being given with the particular IFSC code. So IFSC means Indian Financial System Code. So next is NEFT. NEFT. NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. National Electronic Fund Transfer. If somebody wants to transfer the money, they can do the NEFT. Like you do Paytm, you do Google Pay, different apps you use. So NEFT is a term in which you can send the money or you can send your funds. So it is the National Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT. Next is AMEX. This is American Express. Okay, so AM for American and EX for Express, American Express. Next, coming to STD, that is Special Term Deposit. Special Term Deposit. Okay, S for special, T for term and D for deposit. Special Term Deposit. Coming up to the next, that is PNB. Again, it's a government bank, name of one of the government banks. The full form is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank, PNB. So it's abbreviated as PNB. The full form is Punjab National Bank. So the last is NABARD. It is basically a bank that is related to the rural development or for the financial help for the farmers. So the full form is National Bank of, it is National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. So it is National Bank of. So it's National Bank of Agricultural and Rural Development. NA for national, B for bank, A for agriculture, R for rural and D for development. National Bank of Agricultural and Rural Development, that is NABARD, which is basically helpful for the farmers and for the rural areas where there are not that much facilities provided. So this bank is being helpful for that. Next is RBI. RBI is Reserve Bank of India. All the banks work under this RBI. So it is Reserve Bank of India. R for reserve, B for bank and I for India. Reserve Bank of India. This is RBI. Next is IDBI. IDBI is Industrial Development Bank of India. I for industrial, D for development, Bank of India. Industrial Development Bank of India. So it's also related to a development in the industrial field. So it's a Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. It's a private bank. Next is KYC. The full form is Know Your Customer. K for know, Y for your and C for customer. Know your customer. So coming upon the next, HSBC. So its full form is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, it's basically the largest banks in the Hong Kong. Okay, the bank in the Hong Kong. So Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. Many branches are found all over the world, but basically it's a bank in the Hong Kong. So last is BOI, it's Bank of India. It's again a government bank. Again a government bank, like we have studied about SBI and PNB, State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank. So BOI is Bank of India. So total students, we have discussed the 15 terms, 15 different abbreviations. You should be knowing each and every term and writing it into your books. Okay, thank you all and enjoy your GK tutorial.